Hello friends, want to start business with lowest capital?
There are a few things you should keep in mind when starting a business. First, research your industry to understand what is currently happening. Second, make sure you have a good plan for marketing and promotional efforts. Finally, always be willing to learn and improve your business practices. Let's talk about businesses you can start.
Here are a few business which you can start with. 1. Online businesses. 2. Breakfast joint / takeaway counter. 3. Juice point / shakes corner. 4. Blogging / vlogging. 5. Cookery classes, online / in-person. 6. Daycare services / babysitter. 7. Coaching / tuition classes, online / in-person. 8. Home bakery. 9. Content writing. 10. Food truck, bit costly.
Today in this video, let's talk about online business advantages and how to start online business.
Benefits of having an online business. 1. Low operating costs. 2. 24/7 availability. 3. Better customer support. 4. Boundless Business. 5. Feasibility to operate from anywhere. 6. Lower marketing costs. 7. Accessibility. 8. Automatic systems and resource sharing. 9. Customer data. 10. Customer reach.
How to start a business online, from scratch. #1. Don't start building yet when looking to start a business. It can be tempting to jump into action. So, if you're feeling the urge to build a website, choose a business name, or create a logo, hold off for now. If you want to start a successful online business, first, you need a strategy. And steps 2, 3, and 4 of this article will show you how to create your online business strategy. #2. Choose a business model. 1. Affiliate marketing. 2. Freelancing. 3. E-commerce. #3. Identify your target market. So, when choosing a target audience, ask yourself, what are my hobbies and interests? Is there anything that I know a lot about? What do I spend most of my time thinking, talking, and reading about? #4. Find a problem to solve. For examples, target market, fashion-conscious teenage boys. Problem: the fashion-conscious want to stand out from the crowd without spending too much money. Solution: create a clothing line that's flamboyant and budget-friendly. #5. Analyze the competition. Buy a product they sell. Abandon a product in their shopping cart. Sign up for their newsletter. Follow them on social media. #6. Cover your legal bases. 1. Business structure. 2. Licenses and permits. 3. Tax obligations. 4. Copyright, patent, and trademarks. #7. Select your sourcing strategy. There are several ways to do this. Search for product manufacturers on websites like Alibaba or IndiaMart. Find product wholesalers in or around your state on Handshake. Discover dropshipping suppliers on platforms like IndiaMart. #9. Build your sales platform. Once you've identified your business idea and covered your legal bases, it's time to build your platform. Platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, etc. #10. Choose a marketing method such as social media marketing, direct outreach, paid advertising, influencer marketing.
Want to learn how to start business in marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart? So please like, subscribe and share. Stay tuned.